Efficient printer troubleshooting is key to minimizing downtime and getting back to printing fast. First, check the basics like power, connectivity, paper, and ink levels. Look out for error messages and ensure your printer is online. Keep your drivers updated and clear any print queue jams. For network issues, check connections and IP addresses. Set the correct printer as default and adjust print settings. Handle paper carefully and maintain your printer by cleaning print heads and aligning them. If all else fails, try a soft or factory reset. Specific issues like slow printing or print quality problems can be resolved by checking settings, updating firmware, and performing maintenance tasks. For manufacturer support, refer to the user manual, online resources, or contact customer support for further assistance. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve most printer issues quickly and efficiently.